Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to configure Voicemeeter Banana. First, ensure you have downloaded and installed the application from the official VB Audio website. After installation, restart your computer to properly load the virtual audio drivers. Next, navigate to your Windows sound settings and set Voicemeeter Input as your default playback device. Also, set Voicemeeter Output as your default recording device for your microphone. This initial setup is crucial for proper audio routing. Now let's configure your inputs. In Voicemeeter Banana, assign your physical microphone to Hardware Input 1 by clicking the Select Input Device button. Choose your microphone, typically a WDM or MME device. Your desktop audio will automatically route to Virtual Input 1, labeled Voicemeeter VEO. You can use the second and third hardware inputs for other physical devices, like a second microphone or an instrument. Moving on to outputs, assign your primary listening device, such as your headphones or speakers, to Hardware Auto 1. This is where you'll hear all your mixed audio. You can route individual inputs to different hardware outputs by enabling the 1, a 2, or a 3 buttons. For streaming or recording, use Virtual Output B1, labeled Voicemeeter Aux Output, as your audio source in your software. Finally, let's explore some advanced features. On your microphone input, you can enable the gate to reduce background noise, the compressor to even out your voice, and the EQ for tonal adjustments. Experiment with these settings to achieve your desired sound. Remember to route specific audio sources to different virtual outputs, like B1 or B2, for advanced mixing. Always save your configuration as a preset for easy recall.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.